If Google Chrome keeps opening new tabs automatically, random pages start popping up, or redirects keep sending you somewhere you didn't click, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix or stop new tabs opening in Chrome automatically using a few simple steps. We'll start with the quickest fix, then move on to the most important one, and finish with a full Chrome reset if you still need it. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's start with a simple restart. Close Google Chrome completely. Don't just close the window, make sure it's fully shut down. On Windows, open Task Manager and check whether Chrome is still running in the background. If you see Chrome there, end the task so the browser fully stops, then reopen Chrome and see if the problem is gone. Sometimes a temporary glitch is all it takes for Chrome to keep reopening tabs or acting strangely, so this quick restart is always worth trying first. If the issue is still happening, the next step is the most important or 1. Removing suspicious extensions. Open Chrome and type chrome://extensions into the address bar, then press enter. This takes you directly to your extension list. Now carefully look through everything that's installed. Pay close attention to anything you don't recognize, along with coupon tools, search toolbars, download helpers, suspicious ad blockers, or any extension that seems unfamiliar. Bad extensions are one of the most common reasons Chrome starts opening random tabs, showing ads, or redirecting your searches. If you spot something suspicious, turn it off first. If you're sure you don't need it, remove it completely. Take your time here, because this step fixes a lot of cases by itself. Next, let's block pop-ups and redirects in Chrome. Open Chrome settings, then go to Privacy and Security. From there, open Site Settings and click on Pop-ups and Redirects. Now make sure the setting is changed to don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. This is a very important protection step because it helps stop websites from forcing open unwanted tabs automatically. If a site tries to push you into a new tab or send you somewhere you didn't ask for, this setting can help block that behavior. Once it's enabled, go back and test Chrome again. If new tabs are still opening, the next step is to reset Chrome settings. Open Settings again, then find Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults, then confirm by clicking Reset Settings. This is a useful fix because it removes harmful browser changes without deleting your important data like bookmarks, passwords, or saved browsing history in most cases. It can clear out hidden changes made by extensions or bad settings that are causing Chrome to misbehave. After the reset, restart Chrome and check whether the issue is gone. At this point, one of these fixes should solve the problem. In most cases, the cause is either a bad extension or a browser setting that has been changed without you realizing it. If Chrome is still opening new tabs automatically after all of this, you may also want to scan your computer for malware and check your startup programs because some unwanted software can affect your browser too. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the issue quickly. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful Chrome fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.